Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add extension repository to CloudStream. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to open CloudStream and click on settings here at the bottom right. Here, you're going to click on extensions and then you're going to click on add repository and you'll be able to see a field for adding your URL. To do that, you can simply go to any of the web browser and search for any repository for CloudStream. Simply search for that and copy the URL of your repository that you want. Go back to CloudStream. And over here, you're going to paste the repository or they're just going to paste it from the clipboard. After that, you'll be able to see the repository appear at the top. So you're going to click on open repository. And once you do so, you'll be able to see all the contents that are inside the repository. You can see that this repository contains Dailymotion, Internet Archive, NVIDIA, and Twitch. So just like that, you can simply paste the URL of the desired repository that you want. And that's it. That's how you can basically add an extension repository to CloudStream. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and giving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.